Guys, good morning. We're here with Expert Renovation. We're getting our forklift ramp poured. We're starting out here at the top. From 4,000 psi, calcium matted, it's cold. Crews out here making it happen. We had all the rebar tied off yesterday. We can get this poured here, start working our way down the ramp. Got our slip forms made up in place for our curbs. Drop those on top of the concrete. Have this project wrapped up. This is the final stage on this end of the job. Call us, we can help you out with any type of concrete work, grading work, or any type of commercial remodeling. We've got the crews, equipment, and experience to handle it for you. Guaranteed build out time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to